Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to revise list in Python that you have done many times and many times. So, just a revision and some important keys, or you can say a function that we are going to learn today. So, class, talking about list in Python, there are different type. We can have an empty list, that is no element in it, integers, list of numbers, it may include the integer and the float, and next is the list of character. Next is list of mixed value type and list of strings. List are mutable, that is modifiable. You all know we can change the list elements. uh, Now next is creating a list. This is to create an empty list, first one, this one, and to initialize a list, you can say. And next one is with the values. So empty list can be created by this also. List here is a function, so that's why this type of bracket is used whenever it is a function. Now next is, if we have a string and we want to make each character as the element of the list, then we will write list and this hello. Now you can see that hello, hello, all have become separate element of the list. If there is a tuple and you want to create a list of it, then we want to convert a tuple to a list, then simply list and variable, and now it has become the list L2. I hope you all are understanding. Creating list from keyboard input. Suppose if you enter this and you write this statement with a list instead of int, float, eval, if you are writing list, then each element, it will be considered as a string only, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 all will become the separate element of the list. Next is the slicing. You all know slicing. If there is a list like this and you want to see from -3 to 3 to -3. -3 means 1, -1, -2, -3. 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So the answer will come 3, 4, 5. This will not come because this is the last index. -3 is the last index. Same as a string. There is no difference in string and the list while doing the slicing. Next is the part of the slicing only. If you want to give a gap of 2 to 0 to 10, gap of 2 to, then starting with 0, then 14, then 22, then 30, then 34. Now here they have given 0 to 10, so all the element will be included because these elements are 9 in number. ये 9 है, इसलिए सारे के सारे इसमें इंक्लूड हो गए. दैट आई वांट टू से. सो क्लास, this is all slicing only, modifying the slicing. You try this practically. List manipulation. Under this, if you remember, I have told you append is to add an element to the list. Suppose this is a list of ours and we want to add 16 to it, then we will write append. Similarly, one more is there, that's a extend. I can show you. Extend is also there. This one extend is to add one list to another list. T1 and T2 are the two lists. If we write T1 extend T2, then the value of T2 will add up at the last of T1 and T1 will be modified. If we write T2 dot extend T1, then T2 will be modified. here T1 will be modified to with the elements of T2. So let's move back. This we have done. Now deleting element from the list, very simple del operation we can use. We can give index also कि यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक delete करना है, single delete करना है, you can remove single element also. If you want to remove the list of element, that also means many element you want to remove, that also you can do using this. If I want to delete a single element, suppose I want to delete this 6 is in position 5, so I will write del lst and within bracket I will write just 5. Then from the list this 6 will be removed. Making a copy of a list. So what they have written, colors is equals to, they have made the list of colors, and after that they have written B is equals to colors. Then we will have B as this set, not a list. This set will be a B. We cannot do indexes after this. मतलब अगर मैं B का 0 बोलूँ तो वो वर्क नहीं करेगा. लेकिन if I will write B is equals to list of colors, then it will be a true indexes. You try this class, very interesting it is. We cannot write like this. We have to write like this if we want to make the copy of a list. Next is the index. We want to see in index what is the index of a particular element. Like here they want to see the index of this 18. The answer is 1. Index you all know, 0 1 2 3 4. Next append, repeated it is. Next is the extend. I have explained right now. If I want to add one list to another list, then I will use extend. If I want to add an element, then I will use append. So very important question asked in board. What is the difference between append and extend? You have to set an example and you have to explain. Now class, insert. Inserting an element to the particular position. Inserting an element to the particular position. Like AEU, it is written, I want to insert into position I. Then I will write like this, insert 2 comma I. T1 dot insert 2 comma I. So in 2 position I has been appended and U has been shifted to 3rd position. You can see here U has been, now firstly the position was 2, now it is 3. Pop is to remove an element from the list, and not only to remove, we will get the value also. Like if I write element T1 pop 0, then ELE1 will contain K. 0 पोजीशन में क्या था, K था. K कहाँ पे चला गया, एलिमेंट 1 के अंदर चला गया. इफ़ वी आर राइटिंग x इज इक्वल्स टू T1 डॉट पॉप, इफ़ आई राइट 2, देन ये 2 तो हट ही, 2 पोजीशन वाला तो हट ही जाएगा, यानी ये E तो हट ही जाएगा, साथ साथ E जो है वो x में सेव हो जाएगा. That's the thing. Pop means not only to remove, it is to remove and to save also in another variable. Now next is simply remove. It is same as delete, it is same as pop, but the only difference is that it will go with the first element, फर्स्ट अक्रेंस एलिमेंट. जैसे ए यहाँ पे 2 है, यू कैन सी ए यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, बट ए रिमूव करने पे ये पहला वाला ए देखेगा और उसको रिमूव कर देगा. उसी तरह पी यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है. it will remove the first p only. Here you can see that first p, दूसरा वाला remove नहीं होगा. तो कभी कभी we use it because अगर कभी we have to remove the duplicate ones, then we use this. Generally we use del only to remove an element, or we use pop only, but remove we use when there is a duplicacy. Now clear is to remove all the elements from the list. This was the list, and after using clear, the list has become empty. Count is to count how many elements are present. You can say the frequency of the element. So here we can say 18 are in two positions, so they are giving 2. If we are talking about 28 is not at all in the list, so it will return 0 only. Next is a reverse. As name indicated, reverse means उल्टा कर देना, मीन्स लास्ट पोजीशन वाला पहली पोजीशन में और पहली पोजीशन वाला लास्ट पोजीशन में, और सबकी पोजीशन रिवर्स कर देना. दैट इज अ रिवर्स. लास्ट इज द shorting. I have told you by process also, and this is a direct function through which we can do the shorting also. So sort means to arrange in ascending or descending order. If you want to arrange in ascending order, it directly you have to write this. But if you want to arrange in descending order or decreasing order, you have to write reverse is equals to true also. Here nothing you have to write, here you have to write reverse is equals to q, true. So class, whichever you find important, you check your notes. If you find anything which you have not written before, you write that only. And those who want to make a practice, those who have not made the notes properly last time, they can do it completely. So class, our list is completed. Now in next class we are going to do the tuples. That's all class. Do well, don't waste your time, and work hard class. That's it.